me, do you not?
For a worthy lady, and one whom I much honor.
Pray you then, conduct me to the queen.
I am not, madam. To the contrary, I have express command.
You also do, to lock up honesty and honor from the access of gentle visitors. Is it lawful, pray you, to see the women? Anyway, Emilia.
So please you, madam, I shall bring Emilia forth.
I pray now, Father.
And, madam, I must be present at your conference.
Not being so pretty.
Your judgment. How fares her majesty? As well as one so bravely so forlorn may hold together. On her frights and griefs, which never tender lady hath one greater. She is something before her time delivered. A boy, a daughter, and a goodly babe, lusty and like to live. The queen receives much comfort in it, says, my poor prisoner, I am innocent as you.
How dare be sworn. These dangerous, unsafe wounds the king beshrew them. He must be told on it, and he shall.
The office becomes a woman best.
I'll take it upon me. Pray you, Emilia, commend my best obedience to me. If she dares trust me with her little babe, I'll show the king and undertake to be her advocate to life.
We do not know how he may soften at the sight of the child. The silence often of pure innocence persuades when speaking fails. Most worthy madam, your honor and your goodness is so. There is no lady living, so meet for this great errand. Please, your ladyship, to visit the next room, I'll presently acquaint the queen of your most noble offer.
Tell her, Emilia, I'll use the tongue I have. If wit flow from it as boldness from my bosom, let it not be doubted, I shall do it.
Now you be blessed for it. I'll to the queen. Madam, if it please the queen to send the babe, I know not that I shall incur to pass it, having no warrant.
You need not fear it, sir. This child was prisoner to the womb, and is by law and process of great nature that's free and enfranchised, and not guilty of if any be trespass.
I do believe it.
Do not fear. Upon mine honor, I will stand betwixt you and danger.
Nor night nor day no rest. It is but weakness to bear the matter thus. The harlot king is quite beyond my alarm and great thought. But she I can look to me. Say that she will. Given to the fire, a motive my rest might come to me again. Who's there?
My lord,
How does the Lord?
he took good rest tonight. 'Tis hope his sickness is discharged.
To see his nobleness. Conceiving the dishonor of his mother, he straight climbed, took it deeply, fastened and fixed the shame on it in himself, threw off his spirit, his appetite, his sleep, downright language. Leave his soul. Go. See how he rest. Fie, Klopfenstein. The very thought of my relentless that way would boil upon me, and himself too mighty, and his parties alliance. Let him be until a time may serve. The present vengeance taken on her. Camillo and Felicities laugh at me, make their pastime of my sorrow. They should not laugh if I could reach them, nor shall she within my power.
Must not enter.
Nay, rather, good mindedness, be cited to me. He renewed his tyrannous passion more, alas, than the queen's life. A gracious, innocent soul, more free than he is jealous.
Best enough, madam, he hath not slept tonight. Commanded none should come at him.
Not so hot, good sir. I come to bring him sleep. 'Tis such as you that creep by shadows, like shadows by him, and do sigh, at each his needless heavings, such as you nourish the cause of his waking. I do come to purge him of that humor that prices him from sleep.
What noise do I hear? No noise, my lord.
A needful conference.
Antigonus, I charge thee that she should not come before me.
I told her so, my lord, on your displeasure's peril and on mine she should not visit you.
What canst not move her?
From all dishonesty we can. In this, commit me for committing honor. Trusted he shall not moving.
When she will take the rein, I let her run, but she'll not stumble.
Good mind, liege, I come, and I beseech you hear me, who professes myself, your loyal servant, your physician, and your most obedient counselor. I say I come for your queen.
Good.
Good queen, my lord, good queen. I say good queen! And if my combat make her good, so were I a man.
Force hands.
Let him that makes but trifles of his eyes first hand me. On mine own accord I'll off, but first I'll do mine errand. The good queen, for she is good. I brought you forth a daughter, here 'tis. Commends your blessing.
Out! A man's time bitch. Head with her out the door, most intelligencing boy.
Not so. I am as ignorant in that as you in so entitle me, and no less.
Traitors, will you not push her out? Take up the bastard, take it up, I say. Give it to thy crow.
Forever, unvenerable be thy hands, if thou takest up the princess by that forced baseness which he has put upon.
A nest of traitors, I am not by this good luck.
Nor I, nor any but one that's here, and that's himself. For he, the sacred honor of himself, his queens, his hopeful sons, his babes, betrays to slander whose sting is sharper than the swords, and will not once remove the root of his opinion which is
A
wrong.
callous, boundless tongue, who late hath beat her husband, and now hates me. This brat is none of mine, it is the issue of felicities. Hence with it, and together with the damned, commit them to the fire.
It is yours! And when we lay the old proverb to your charge, so like you 'tis the worse. Behold my words, although the print be little, the whole matter and copy of the father eye, nose, lip, the trimmings from his forehead in the valley, the pretty dimples of his chin and cheek, his smiles, and thou, good goddess nature, which has made it so like him that brought it, lest she suspects, as he does her children, not her husbands.
Thou art worthy to be hanged, but will not stay for time.
And all the husbands that cannot do that, you'll leave yourself hardly one subject.
What's more to defense? Most unnatural, unworthy lord can do no more.
I have the word.
I care not. It is a heretic that makes the fire, not she which burns in it. I'll not call you tyrant, but this most cruel usage of your queen, not able to produce more accusation than your own weak-hinged fancy, something savors of tyranny.
On your allegiance out of the chamber with her. Were I a tyrant, where were her life? She durst not call me so if she did know me wrong.
Pray you do not push me, I'll be gone. Look to your babe, my lord, 'tis yours! Jove send her a better guiding spirit, what needs his hands? You that are thus so tender, or the follies will never do him good, not one of you, so. Farewell, God.
Thou, traitor, hast set thy wife to this. My child! Away with it. Even thou that hast heart so tender, or I take it hence and see it instantly consumed with fire. Even thou, and none but thou, take it up straight. Within an hour bring me word 'tis done. If thou refuse the bastard brains with these my proper hand, shall I dash out? No. Take it to the fire, for thou set'st on thy wife. I did not, sir. These lords, my noble fellows, if they please, can clear me in it.
I can, my lord. He is not guilty of other coming
You're
here.
liars all.
Beseech your highness, give us better credit. We have always truly served you, and beseech so to esteem us. And on our knees we beg, as recompense for our dear services, past income, that you can change this purpose, which being so cruel, so bloody, must lead unto some foul issue we all feel.
I am feathers for each wing that flows. Shall I live on Let it live. Shall not. Come you hither, you that have been so tenderly officious to save this bastard's life. For 'tis a bastard, so sure as this beard's gray. What will you adventure to save this man's life?
Anything, my lord, that my ability may undergo a noble discipline. At least thus much. Upon the little blood which I have left to save these. Anything possible. Shall be possible.
Swear by the sword thou wilt perform it.
I will.
Come and perform it. Cease thou from fail at any point on it shall not only be death to thyself, but to life and to tongue life at this time of life. We enjoin thee, that thou carry this female bastard hence, found by mercy, to his own protection in the mind. I do injustice charge thee on thy soul's peril and thy body's torture that thou commended strangely to some place, where chance may nurse or mend.
I swear to do this. Though present death have been more merciful. Come, Carey. Some powerful spirit instruct the kites and ravens to be thy nurses.
Wolves and bears, they say, casting your wildness aside, and done like offices of queen.
Or they condemned to loss.
No, I'll not rear another's issue. The great Apollo suddenly will have the truth of this appear. Summon a session, that we may arraign our most disloyal lady. As she hath been publicly accused, so shall she have a just and open trial. While she lives,